What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing an unboxing of the Young Nails Pro Ultimate Kit, and I'm so excited. Alright, let's get to opening this. And I ordered this on, I want to say the 14th. And today is the 22nd. So I ordered this on the 14th, I believe. And today is the 22nd or the 23rd, so it took a little over a week. But I am overseas, so it comes with this bubble wrap. Ooh, this is my kit. Oh, I got some glitter. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. Okay, so just come with this card or whatever, and let you know what it comes with. All that good stuff. All that good stuff. It comes in this clear bag, and this bag is reusable, so I will be reusing this. Oh, I think this is a bad angle. I don't know. Okay, so on top we have some clear tips. We have some natural tips, and it's 50 in each of those. We have some nail forms. What else? I have a little manicure brush, dust brush, whatever you want to call it. What happened to my light? Okay, so my light went out, but that's okay. We have a dapping dish. Can never have too many of those. Then we have, let's say, imagination art. Let's look at this. Oh my god, that is pretty. Can y'all see that? Oh my goodness, look at that. Okay. What else we have in here? We have more glitters. Let's look at this one. Oh, yes, look at that. Come on, focus. Focus. Y'all see that? Yeah, I'm about to play with that. It's perfect for Valentine's Day. Okay. We have two more glitters. Oh, we have another green one. Let's open this one. Oh, that's pretty. I think it's coming off kind of teal on camera, but it's green. It's really pretty. And then we have this really pretty blue. Oh yes, baby, yes, look at that. And this is the Professional Acrylic Kit Ultimate. Just to let you guys know, we have some rose oil, some rose cuticle oil. This says Ultimate Finish Gel. It's a high gloss gel sealer. This is a top coat, a gel top coat. We have some brush on glue. Ooh, I'm excited for the protein bond. I heard really good things about their protein bond. Is it gonna focus? No. Okay, but that's protein bond. What's over here? We have a dropper for the monomer. We have a acrylic brush. It doesn't say what number it is, but if I had to guess, it'll be a number 8 brush. What else? We have another dropper, a glass dropper. This is for the cuticle oil. Let's see. We have 2 of these Young nail liquids. And they're both 6 ounces. We have some nail files and nail buffers. And here I think it's about 4 or 5. I don't know. And then we have the Cover Blush, the Speed White, the Cover Pink, and the Speed Clear. And last but not least, we have the Swipe. And this is just for, it says dehydrating and cleansing. And also to remove like that tacky layer from gels or whatever. And it comes with a pump top, whatever. And this is what it looks like. Oh yes, I'm so super duper excited. So this is everything that came in the kit. The only thing I feel like I'm missing is everybody else unboxing, they also had white tips. So they had clear, natural, and white, but I don't have the white tips. Let me see. Protein bond, brush on gel, dapping dish, files. Oh no, it just says 50 natural and then 50 clear tips. So I guess they don't do the white tips anymore. You coming in? Yeah. Alright, once again, this is everything that came in my kit. My next video, I will be using some of this. I don't know if I'll be using it on myself or on my practice hand, but I will be using this for the first time, and I am super duper excited. So if you guys want to see that video, make sure you're subscribed to my channel, your post notifications are on, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.